Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So you know what time it is again. We got another pink bag. Let's see what Nadine West has for us this month. All right, let's get into this bag. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Shakema, and I am a monthly clothing reviewer for Nadine West. Nadine West is a monthly subscription box. It's actually a subscription bag where they will send you items. So if you go to Nadine West's website, and I'll leave a link to the website in the description box, they will, you take a little quiz, and that quiz is to get your personal preferences, things you like, things you don't like, things you consider stylish, and Nadine West Company then assigns you a personal stylist to style you. With that being said, after they have styled you, they will send you out your items, and your items come in this signature pink bag. It's probably one of my favorite features because I love this hot pink bag. And it's never the same, the things that we get. The last bag was the first time I'd ever received dresses. I've gotten cardigans, I've gotten sweaters, I've gotten pants, shirts, tops, but the last bag was the first time I had received dresses. So we are getting towards the spring, and I'm excited to see what they have packed for me this time. So let me make this disclaimer. This is not a sponsored video. I do not receive any compensation for my review. I do give an honest review of what I feel with these products. So let's see what they sent. So within the contents of the bag, it comes like it normally does. A couple things come in your bag. Okay. First of all, you get your invoice, and in the invoice, it just tells you what's within this package. So let's see. I have a bottom, a top, a dress, some earrings, a bracelet, and some shades. Okay. Get your shades on. It's the first time I've received shades. Well, that's awesome. Okay, let's see. The bottoms are navy. The top is called a Tasha top. It's red. The dress is an Abbey, and it's burgundy. The earrings are aged filigree, and they're copper. The bracelet is called Earth Day, and it's brown. And then the Monica are the shades. So let's see what this box bag looks like. The other thing that they send you, I will tell you this, is you get a priority shipping label to return items that you do not want, items that you do not like, items that you don't feel are exactly your style. And what you do is you put them right back into the same bag that they came in. You affix the label here, and you can send it back to the company. You will not be charged for any items that you send back that were not according to your liking, your size. I know the last box that I did, the last bag that I did, the sizes were too big because I have lost some weight doing Weight Watchers. So I simply went into my profile and I updated my profile with my new size categories, and so I'm hoping it's going to be revealed in here. So everything comes in a plastic bag, comes with that traditional Nadine West sticker, and it comes wrapped in pink paper. This is probably one of my favorite boxes to receive, bags to receive. And then everything is here. So here's the top, because that's a red top. Burgundy was the dress. Okay. Oh man, the shades, these are awesome. They come in this little strawberry bag. How cute is this? And then your jewelry, of course, comes in the little signature pink bags, which are some of my favorite little touches to the bag. And then the blue bottom. All right, guys, let's review. So I want to be very honest, and Nadine West allows me to give an honest and open review. For my bag, and I didn't show you this to begin with, so let me show you the prices for this bag. So these to me are very reasonable prices. $14, the highest thing on there is like $30, and that was for the dress. Everything else is about the $15, $16, $17 range. So very, very normal prices when you're looking at what clothing costs today. And I'm always the one to give you my honest opinion. So you know my not a lot of love for leggings. I am not a leggings person. But these navy blue and white polka dotted leggings were absolute life. And when I say that, they fit just right. They were a size lower, so they were a large instead of an extra large. The material on those felt so good. Normally the reason I don't wear leggings is because it makes me feel like I'm so tight. Like I can hardly move. And these leggings were breathable. I felt like I could just walk easily. And if I had to buy them, I would buy those. I would purchase the navy blue and polka dotted leggings. That would be an item I would pick. Now the top, the Tasha top, it was the red one. It was in a medium. I believe in that particular top, I would probably need a large. It was very clingy to me, not as flowy as some of the tops have been. And so I think in order to not cling so much, I would take that in one size larger. It did have that nice material like all of the tops do. But oddly enough, it was not my favorite shade of red. Red is my favorite color, but that was not my particularly favorite shade of red. The dress, the burgundy Abbey dress. So I love the pockets, and it actually looks just like, the top of it looks just like this shirt. This is a Nadine West shirt that I'm wearing right now. And I did like that dress. To me, still for my comfort level, it was a little shorter than what I normally would wear. But I'm working on my confidence level. I'm working on being able to be more comfortable in mid-knee length dresses. So I thought it was okay. I still felt a smidge uncomfortable. I think I would feel more comfortable if I wore like tights or leggings with it. That's just still my comfort piece. But I loved it. Loved the pockets. I am a pocket girl. If I can find anything with a pocket, I'm all about it. As far as the earrings, they were not necessarily my favorite earrings. But I do have another copper piece or another piece from Nadine West that might match better with those earrings. So I'm going to try them together and see what I think. The bracelet, which was Earth Day, please forgive the chomping. That's Gracie in the background eating. Could she eat any louder? The brown wood beads. Not my fave. I'm kind of more of a bling bling girl, but hey, you know, I'll take one for the team if I had to. I probably have pieces that I could match it with better than the pieces that it came with. And the shades are my absolute favorite. Really, really love the shades. They are so versatile. They can go with so many pieces. And I do wear contacts, so it's anytime I wear my contacts, and it is becoming spring and summer now, the shades will come in perfectly handy. They fit to my face. They weren't too big. I don't need to have them adjusted. I really did love those. So there it is. That's my honest opinion. That's my honest review. Out of all the items, I probably for definite sure would have gotten the bottoms, which are the polka dot leggings, the Abbey dress, the burgundy dress, and the shades. Those three items I absolutely give my best thumbs up. The other items were just fine, but not necessarily for my body type, my body style, or my color preferences the best for me. So anyway, that's my honest review. I'm going to leave the website in the description box below. Go to their website, check them out, fill out the free profile, and then see what your stylist comes up with for you. So again, if there's items you don't like, they come with a return packaging label. You just put it on top of the bubble envelope, put the items back, leave a review on your profile, likes, dislikes, and send it right back. You will not be charged for any items you do not keep. And that's my review. So if you like this review video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Just says, hey, we liked your video. If you're new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next Nadine West review, bye now.